Hi, Sonia Luna here over at Aviva Spectrum, wanting to share the top 3 tips to hiring a great bookkeeper for your company. Tip I provide most prospective clients is experience. In other words, asking that bookkeeper how many years they've been in business, how many recommendations they have. I put here LinkedIn LI recommendations because that's a wonderful, proven business to business social media platform. Also, what experience in terms of the types of accounting software have they used and the certifications their people have had and how many years of experience they've kept that certification in active status. And I've listed a few here, such as CPA. CIA stands for Certified Internal Auditors, so that if you do get those folks working on your account, you know that they understand controls, especially when it comes to cash and the marijuana cannabis space. Okay, number 2, technology. Asking a bookkeeper what types of accounting software they want to use or have used in the past, what they recommend, is going to be critical. Also, the security policies that they have at the firm and what kind of policies do they have for their clients, so that way their customers also understand that security about bookkeeping and their data. It takes two parties to make sure that data is secure. And then number 3, what is the oversight of the data entry process and reporting and then the backup of that data? So what types of technology do they leverage and processes do they have for that data and that backup of that data that you are going to provide to them? Okay, tip number 3. Quality review. Some people call this service delivery models. Asking a bookkeeper how that team that they have internally is structured, how many people review the work, at what periods of time, also what level of service do they have and at what price point. Do they have proper insurance coverage for the types of services that they're rendering for your business? Now, I wanted to leave some other resources for you. There's a wonderful consumer assistance booklet that the California Board of Accountancy has created. It's got well over 10 questions you should ask a CPA. Also, check out LinkedIn and see if you can do some searches for bookkeepers or CPAs in the field. And you can check out some of the industry-specific business directory, and I've listed a few here that are up and coming and starting to list certain businesses like accountants and bookkeepers, etc. Lastly, check out our YouTube videos. We have stuff on bookkeeping, secrets to lower your taxes, as well as what is the best way to pick the right accounting software for your cannabis and marijuana business. Now, how does Aviva Spectrum stack against its competition when it comes to bookkeeping? So taking those tips that we just discussed right now, in terms of years of experience, we have well over 13 years of experience being in business. We leverage mobile device technology, cloud-based technology that is very, very secure. When it comes to recommendations, meaning peer-to-peer, business-to-business, and even B2C, business to consumers, I am actually the #1 LinkedIn recommended CPA and CIA. Quality of service of our people. Most of our people are CPAs and certified internal auditors with well over 8 years of experience, and we have all the insurance requirements that you would expect with a firm that does bookkeeping for the cannabis and marijuana industry. Now, I am a former advisor to the Securities Exchange Commission, which gives me an added bonus in terms of experience dealing with federal regulators and advising on the accounting and auditing profession. That's what I did in Washington, D.C. a few years back. And I'm going to make a special offer like I have in the past, which is if you email us at info@avivaspectrum.com and you put in the subject header, accounting software analysis, I carve out twice a month for folks to get a special intake with me personally. And yes, it is free, it's complimentary, and I welcome getting to know you and your business and hopefully finding a good match with Aviva Spectrum.